A massive explosion flattened 80 million trees over an area twice the size of Belgium, but left no crater. What kind of force could do that? In 1908, the skies over Siberia lit up with fire, followed by a shockwave that could be felt across continents. But more than 100 years later, we're still asking the same question. What really happened at Tunguska? On the morning of June 30th, 1908, near the Tunguska River in Russia, a fireball exploded in the sky. The blast was estimated to be 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Witnesses reported a blinding blue light, a deafening shockwave, and scorching heat. The explosion leveled over 2,000 square kilometers of forest. Yet, and here's the kicker, no impact crater was ever found. The leading theory is that a meteoroid or comet exploded mid-air, around 5 to 10 kilometers above the ground, an airburst. The energy released vaporized the object before it could reach the Earth's surface, leaving behind destruction but no debris or crater. But here's where things get weird. Some say the object wasn't natural at all. UFO researchers suggest the explosion could have been caused by an alien spacecraft crash, or even a weapon test from an unknown civilization. Others speculate secret experiments. Nikola Tesla's wireless energy transmission gets mentioned a lot, especially since he claimed to have the power to send energy across the globe. And then there's the odd reports. Strange lights in the sky days before the explosion, magnetism anomalies, and no real conclusive evidence, even today. In recent decades, scientists have tried to replicate the effects of an airburst using models and simulations, and they do match up. But without any solid fragments or conclusive impact evidence, there's still a hole in the story. And if it was a comet, where's the ice? If it was an asteroid, where's the rock? So what really happened over Tunguska? A cosmic event? A glitch in physics, or something beyond our understanding? Now for some, the Tunguska event is a clear case of extraterrestrial activity. Considering Tesla's claims about wireless energy, his infamous Wardenclyffe Tower transmitting power to the entire globe, could this have been a miscalculated experiment gone wrong? Did he really manage to tap into the Earth's natural frequency, creating a resonance that built up until the tower exploded? Maybe, but there's also the fact that Tesla died in 1943, 65 years before the event. So unless he came back as Nikola Tesla, it seems unlikely that he was behind the explosion. Then there's the possibility of an unknown civilization causing the blast. Did an ancient culture develop advanced technology capable of such destruction, only to lose it to time? It's possible, but highly speculative. We can't ignore the fact that there are no known lost civilizations in the area, and no archaeological evidence to support this claim. Perhaps the answer lies in something more conventional. Could it have been a natural airburst, a random event caused by a wayward comet or asteroid? It's the most likely explanation, and it fits the available evidence. But that still leaves us with questions. Where are the remains? Why are there no records of a small comet fragmenting in the atmosphere during that time period? One theory proposes that the object was actually a meteorite that exploded before it hit the ground. This would explain the lack of a crater and the absence of debris. But where did it go? Did it evaporate entirely, or are its remnants scattered across the vast expanse of the universe? Another intriguing idea is that the Tunguska event wasn't a single explosion but a series of smaller ones. Perhaps the comet fragmented in the upper atmosphere, giving off a series of smaller explosions over several days. This could explain the unusual duration of the event, and the fact that there were no large fragments on the ground. But as we continue to search for answers, we must also confront the possibility that we may never know for sure. The Tunguska event remains an enigma, a reminder of the mysteries that still exist in our world. What do you think? Was it a cosmic event, a glitch in physics, or something else entirely? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into Earth's biggest mysteries. Thanks for watching. See you next time.